In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your plan with ElevenLabs in just 5 minutes. Whether you've decided it's time to move on or you no longer need their services, canceling your subscription is straightforward with just a few steps. So let's dive right in and get started. First, make your way to your computer and open your preferred web browser. It could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or whichever browser you regularly use to access the internet. Once your browser is open, you'll want to navigate to the ElevenLabs website. As this video is designed to be quick and easy, we've assumed you already have the website bookmarked or stored in your history. But if not, simply type ElevenLabs into your search bar and select the appropriate link from your search results. Now that you're on their website, you'll need to log into your account. Enter your credentials, your email, and password to access your personal dashboard. Make sure to remember your password or have it stored in a secure password manager if you have trouble recalling it. Once logged in, you'll want to look for the My Account section. It's typically located at the bottom left of the website. This section is your gateway to managing everything related to your ElevenLabs account. So when you find it, click there. After entering the My Account area, your next step is to seek out the Subscriptions section. This is where all your plan details are stored, and it's crucial for modifying your subscription. You'll want to click on this section to proceed. Now, inside the subscription area, it's time to click on the Manage Subscription button. This button might be positioned differently depending on your screen size. It could be on the top right or the left of your window. So take a moment to look carefully for it. Once you find it, give it a click. Next, to cancel, you'll look for the Cancel Subscription option. It's important to note here that if you are currently using the free plan, the option to cancel might not be available. Instead, you may only see a Subscribe button, which is there to help you upgrade to a paid plan. However, if you indeed have a paid subscription, click Cancel Subscription to begin the cancellation process. And that's it. In just a few clicks, you've taken control of your subscription and can now move forward accordingly. We hope this guide helped you smoothly manage your account and successfully cancel your plan. Remember, always take care to follow on-screen prompts to ensure your subscription ends properly. Thanks for watching, and we hope this tutorial has made your experience with ElevenLabs easy and efficient. Have a wonderful day.